So hi guys, today I will show you how I do my final project in heat transfer. So first things first is open natin yung AutoCAD and then magkakaman tayo ng line and then mag-line tayo ng 0.5 by 1 meter and then 0.5 ulit and then 1 meter and then yung Y ko is the 40% of 0.5, so mag-offset tayo ng 0.2. Ayan. And then, iti-3D na natin siya. So, command press pull. And then, press pull natin siya ng 1 meter. And then, ito ding side na to is 1 meter. And then, it should be shaded. And then, we can export it. Here, so, ayan, drawing 1 na lang. IGS, and then save. And then click and then enter. Then we will open the workbench app, then drag the steady state thermal and then click the geometry and insert the this. And then double click natin yung model. Wait lang natin. So ayan, dito na tayo sa material. So ayan, structural steel. So mesh. Yung sizing is papalitan natin ng fine. And then next is the steady state thermal. We will add temperature 500 degrees. And then insert another temperature here. 25 degrees. So ayan, so mesh we can solve it. Then ayan na siya. And then sa solution naman, insert temperature and then insert total heat flux and then solve. So ayan na siya. Ito na yan yung total heat flux. And then ayan, pwede na natin siyang i-print preview. And then subject is heat transfer. The author is me. And then print, and then save. Temperature. Also sa total heat flux, subject is heat transfer. author is me. And then print. Then also the report review. Print natin. Project. Save. And that would be all. Thank you.